In this video, I will show you how to download Valorant. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you need to do is open up a new internet browser and come across to the official website, which is playvalorant.com. Now, once you come across to the website, you're going to see on the homepage there is a play for free button. Give that a click and that's going to take you to a screen like this. From here, you can choose your platform that you want to download Valorant on, whether that's PC, Xbox or PlayStation. For myself, I'm going to be downloading on PC. Just a note, in order to do this, you do need a Riot account as well. If you don't have one, there is a link underneath where you can go ahead and create a Riot account. So what I'm going to do is click onto PC, and at this point it's going to ask you to either sign in with your Riot account or create a new one if you don't have one, as you do need a Riot account to play. What I'm going to do is click sign in and sign in with my existing account. Once you're signed in, what will happen is you'll be taken to the download page, and from here, if you scroll down a bit, you're going to see the download button. So give that a click and that's going to start downloading Valorant onto your PC or laptop, or of course Xbox or PlayStation if you opted for console. Once Valorant has finished downloading, give it a click, and what that's going to do is open up the Riot launcher. So it's just going to take a minute or two to go through and open up. Here we are back on my desktop. You can see the windows opened, and at this point all you want to do is click onto install, and what that's going to do is start installing Valorant onto your PC. Once Valorant has finished installing, what's going to happen is the Riot Games launcher is going to load through, and all you need to do is basically sign in with your Riot Games account. Once you've signed in, you'll be taken to the page like this. So for myself, I've only got an update, but for yourself, you're going to download the complete game. So you would see a download button, give that a click, and then you just need to wait for it to finish downloading. And once it has finished, this button here is going to change to play, and then you can click that and start playing Valorant. So that is how to download Valorant. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.